All right, so for number 3, right, so a motorbike travels at 49 kilometers per hour. All right, 6th grade, you should not be talking. Right? All right, yeah, you're still talking. I hear it. Ah. Again, they're traveling at 49 kilometers per hour for 27 minutes. You need to figure out how far it is traveled. So you need to convert your minutes to hours. Just for you, Rebecca. Because you love conversions. Right, so to go from hours, right, you need minutes on the bottom. What am I doing? No.
1 hour, put the unit on the bottom left.
Huh? No.
Right? One
6.
what? Oh, nothing. 1 nothing.
Yeah, it's just 1 minute. It's just one.
I know. Yeah.
It's just a placeholder. Yeah. All right, so then we have 60 minutes because our minutes have to cancel out is 1 hour. Right, so then you do 27 times 1 divided by 60, which gives you 0.45 hours. Then, so we know that velocity is distance over time.
Hold on.
Okay.
Part number 3. How convert the... So it would be 49 kilometers over 1 hour, and then 1,000 meters over 1 kilometer, right?
Yes.
And then 1 hour over divides into 13.61 meters per second. And then you plug the meters per second into velocity. Velocity 13.61 equals distance over 1,620. Where did I get that?
Where did you get that?
Where did I get that at?
I don't know either.
What have we done? What?
Oh, I think what happened is I still have like.
So.
Keep doing this because we're wrong in it, right?
Yeah, I mean you can do it either way. So then you would plug in the 49 kilometers per hour for your velocity equals distance over 0.45, and then you multiply 49 times 0.45 to get the 22.05 kilometers.
That is like way easier than what we tried to do.
Yeah. Why did I have you do that?
You just hated us that day.
It was that day.
Apparently.
Probably.
Who knows? Okay. All right, so then maybe my key is wrong.
I think we did this one together too.
I'm pretty sure we did. All right, so an ambulance needs to travel 12.2 kilometers to the hospital if it can maintain a speed of 84 kilometers per hour. How long does it take in minutes to get to the hospital? So, again, we have speed equals distance over time.
What is time equal?
We don't know, yeah. All right, so then that means we have 84 is equal to 12.2 over t. So multiply both sides by t. So then 84t is equal to 12.2, and then divide by 84. And so that is right, that's going to give it to us in hours, and then we have to convert that to minutes. So it's 0.145 hours, or you can round it. I think I even rounded it to 0.15 hours.
And you multiply that to 6 by 60?
Yeah, then you multiply that by 60. So then you have 0.15 hours over 1 is 60 over 1 hour.
Wait, no, could you not just multiply 15 by 60?
I mean, that's what you're doing, essentially, but it's always
scarier though.
It's a conversion. It's not that scary. So 0.15 times 60 gives you 9.
What did you guys get over there?
How did you guys get 8.71?
I got
We converted before we.
We both got 17.
Oh, you converted.
We did the table and then we converted.
So you converted your velocity to kilometers per minute,
Yes.
and then did it that way. Okay, yours is probably. That's
Would it
fine.
be acceptable now?
Yeah, I would count that.
Okay.
As long as you get it, and I would see that you did that conversion, and you'd be good. So yeah, either way is fine. All right. Do I need to go over number 5?
No. Do we have to just know the definitions of like
Ah.
front hour